Hey Leo, how are you all doing? Hope each one of you is fine. Welcome to my channel. This is Earth Angel Healing bringing you your July 2020 general reading. Please keep in mind this will not be applicable to each one of you as it is a general reading. This reading in particular, we will scan the energies of the upcoming 5th of July lunar eclipse and how it will affect your relationships, career, finances, and overall personal life. Okay, so let's begin. For those of you who want to know me, what am I doing, what is my specialization, what work I am contributing to the society, please feel free to check the link of my website, and if you feel like, do contact me. All the details are in the description box below. So let's start. Leo, what will be the energy of Leo for the month of July 2020, and how this lunar eclipse on 5th of July will affect the zodiac sign of Leo. Let's scan your energy first. Leo's energy for July. I have 7th chakra, which is the crown chakra, and I have contract. Okay, now seeing these two cards, what I'm getting is a spiritual ascension is going on, and you are doing something which is related to esoteric, spiritual healing, or something which is related to the crown chakra, which is spirituality. You may be into healing, Reiki, pranic healing, any form of esoteric healing methods. These two cards being here, what I'm getting is you have to make a commitment to yourself, the contract, that no matter what obstacle, what problems, or whatever is stopping you from moving ahead in your spiritual journey, you have to make a commitment to yourself that you will not leave this path. No matter what, you will stick to it, you will be committed to this path. This is what a clear message I'm getting from these two cards, and this will be the energy for this entire month of July. You will be thrown in the situation where you will doubt, but you have to remember one thing: you are being provided, protected, and guided if you trust the path of this spiritual ascension which you will go through. So just make a commitment to yourself. No matter what, you will not leave your esoteric healing practices or your whatever you are doing in terms of spirituality. Okay, another message which I'm getting is you have to trust your intuition. If you are meditating, trust your thoughts, trust your intuition. Whatever you are doing, you are being guided. Completely surrender to the divine. You will be taken care of. Now let's see the different aspects. In different aspects of your life, what will be the energy like? In your personal, I have flexible. Yeah. When it comes to your career and finances, wow, this is what I said. Leo, blessed. You are blessed when it comes to finances and career. If you will trust your intuition, your sign a contract with yourself, commit to yourself that you will not leave your spiritual journey that has begun. When it comes to relationship, what we have for Leo, loyal hearts, beautiful card to have. Whoever you are dealing with, you both are loyal to each other, no doubt about it. No doubt about it. Overall energies for the month of July, unfinished symphony. Wow. All the cards are very positive, Leo. We will clarify each one with my Grand Lux Tarot deck by Ciro Marchetti, sorry. This is my new deck. So, in your personal life, when we say you are to be flexible, so drop the old thought patterns, drop all the old belief system that was keeping you stuck. Be open-minded. Don't go by rules or set of rules that okay, this has to be done like this and whatever. Okay, be open, be acceptable, and be ready to let universe flow through you. For that you need to be very, very flexible. Don't go by your past experiences. You are writing a new book, a new journey altogether. So be very, very flexible in your thoughts and your approach. Wow, it has been clarified by Six of Wands and the Moon card. So Six of Wands is here to tell you that if you will trust, if you will sign this contract, your confusion, whatever you are confused about, you will turn out to be successful in this. Okay, this is one thing. Second, as I said, you have to drop your patterns, analyze yourself where you have to work, and drop that belief system and patterns so that you will become flexible and move forward. Now coming to your career and finances, you are blessed, which has been clarified by Chariot and Two of Wands, which indicates you have to clearly decide. Once again, sign a contract, take a decision that this is your path and this is your purpose, and be 100% dedicated to this path, this purpose, this spiritual ascension which you have started. Take a firm decision and you will move forward definitely. Keep in mind that you are being blessed on to come on this path. You are being guided to come on this path, and since you have taken this path, you are being blessed by the divine, by the universe. So don't worry about what will happen. Nothing is clear. Don't go there. Just follow your intuition, follow this path. You will be guided as you take first step. Second, third, fourth steps will be shown to you, but you are required to take a firm decision. You have not taken that decision yet. Okay, let's clarify the relationship aspect. I have Empress and the King of Swords. Okay, a clear indication, the king and the empress. Okay, now Leo, you are a fire sign and you are very, very demanding, very controlling by default. You are requested to come in this nurturing energy, because the person you are dealing with, you both are loyal to each other. There is no confusion, there is no doubt, but somewhere you yourself are creating the conflict by being in this energy of king of swords. You are requested to be a nurturer, a, a gardener of this relationship, what you can say, you have to nurture this particular relationship and you have to come in this nurturing energy, not in this king of swords who is very practical, who is very logical, who is like a military official or a lawyer. You are not that. When it comes to a relationship, you don't have to behave like that. If there is a problem in the relationship, whatever it is, instead of finding faults, try to find the solution, how things can be solved and what you can do to bring your person up to that level, so that you don't face the problem, whatever problem they are facing right now. So behave or try to solve the problem constructively instead of behaving destructively. That's what. And let's see the unfinished symphony. I have king, knight of cups and seven of swords. So whatever deception was there, whatever misguidance or lack of clarity, whatever unfinished business was there in your life in general, is coming to an end by this lunar eclipse. So what needs to be done? A decision needs to be taken when it comes to your career and your relationship. In your relationship, you have to be a nurturer. One, in your career, you have to take a decision that whatever you are doing, you are being guided by ultimate, you are being guided by the divine. So just follow your intuition and follow your guidance, whatever you are getting. Secondly, with this flexible and unfinished symphony here, you being Leo, you have to drop that core nature of yours, which is authoritative, commanding, controlling. You have to come to this flexibility, become flexible and see the changes happening in your life. Don't go by the books, don't go, be wide open and acceptance. Be wide open like sky and accepting like a sea. Open up. You are closed, you, because of your past experiences, but that is also one of the decision you have to take, is to drop your bad experiences. Just take lesson. Okay, everybody goes through bad phase in the life. Take lesson, learn, but approach tomorrow with a new energy, with a new perspective. It's a new chapter. Don't keep comparing your past with your present and your future. You will keep manifesting your past again and again otherwise. Okay, let's see what is the advice for you, Leo. Speak with love. Do I have to say anything, Leo, to you? Speak with love, which is this Empress energy, this loving and caring female energy. Let's take one more. Just sing follow your passion, follow your heart, follow any of the art form you want. Take no offense. Take no offense. Whoever is trying to sabotage you, your creativity, please let that thing go. Be flexible enough, be courageous enough to let that thing go, whatever is not supporting you in your growth, in your spiritual, personal and career wise. If anybody is blocking you, let that person go. Okay, now very beautiful messages you have. No problem with your relationship, you guys are very much committed to each other. There are unfinished business which you will finish, or you will come to the conclusion, you will get the clarity if you will be flexible and if you follow your intuition, follow your heart. All the path, all the directions will be shown to you once you trust, find the trust in yourself, in the divine, and trust that everything is happening for your highest good. Okay, stop being in this Seven of Swords and King of Swords energy. It's not helping you, Leo. Come out of this, come out of this big time. You just have to speak with love. Take no offense, of course, but express your creativity, express your love, express what you have. The red color also indicates you have to work on your Muladhara, your root chakra, to strengthen your root chakra and see what a positive change you will bring in your life. Okay, Leo, that's all I have. I hope it resonated, and like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are a first time watcher. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.